Welcome to the session. Here we'll look into a standard scalar, and it is useful while data cleaning activity for machine learning. So what to do? Import required libraries like as pd matplotlib.csv. You can see path is given. We pass the path in the parenthesis and left hand side write df as data frame. If you want to observe, df.head will give you first 5 rows. Now df.dtypes will give you column and type of the column. See, bill id and amount. So bill id is of integer type, amount is of float type. So integer and float, it's not about only how a large number is. If anything is blank like NaN, that will also come under float. Okay, so these numbers are huge numbers. You have to convert it, or you have to standardize it to get right fit model in machine learning. So what to do? You import a standard scalar from sklearn.preprocessing, and then this is the object reference, a standard scalar, any name you can give. Here call a standard scalar, okay, class name, and this is the parenthesis, okay, and this is the object reference. As you create object equal to new class name, okay. Similarly, a standard scalar is the class and sc is the object reference. Now on this object reference apply fit underscore transform and pass entire data frame. So a standard scalar, object reference, fit underscore transform, and finally apply pd.data frame. So you'll be getting that data frame as a standardized columns. For example, here you see bill id and amount, okay. Similarly, here you see df.columns, bill id and amount, okay. And if you see df, it will not come like this enlarged, it will be reduced, or here you can see all this data is in reduced way. So sometimes in machine learning it is required to do a standardization. So this is how you can achieve that. Okay, now next let's look into get dummies. What actually get dummies do, or what actually get dummies does. Okay, so in this imported all the necessary file, path of the file, and conversion of file into data frame, and here you can look the data frame. df.dtypes will give you all the column and its type. Bill id is of integer, others are of object type. So your intention would be to convert object type into universal integer 8 type. Then only we can apply into machine learning algorithm. So you can see patient id, this is the column name. So this is the column name df patient id. Now at that column you are going to apply pd.getDummies, and this is the column name, and drop underscore first equal to true. Similarly for another column, date of admission, this is the column name left hand side, and then on this you are applying pd.getDummies, column name, drop first equal to true. And if you check df.dtypes, now it is converted to uint 8. Initially it was object, now it is universal integer 8. So this is how we can use get dummies to convert object type column into universal integer 8 type. And if you want to see, you can see like this, it will come under numeric. Okay, it will come under numeric. We'll discuss in later classes how actually get dummies will convert object to numeric. So hope this will help you to understand data cleaning in machine learning. Thank you for watching.